2012 GMC Yukon 6.0 liter V8. Really nice car. DENALI. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it was into a single. We got a third converter right there. Then what we put on it is a Flow FX by FLOWMASTer. Part number 71419, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. We always have to add a little piece in there because that muffler is gigantic over there. And always recommend that you do tune on it to get the 4-cylinder mode taken out, because it will drone if you don't. And there'll be a link in the description for the tip and the Flow FX. It's a 5-inch black roll tip right there. And there's the resonator. We took the resonator and the muffler out right there and right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Like always, please subscribe. 2012 GMC Yukon 6.0 liter. Beautiful DENALI right there. What we got done on it for you guys. Factory converters there and there. Then the dreaded third cab that everyone hates there. Then it's got that flex pipe. Then we put a MAGNAFLOW part number 11259. Be a link in the description for it. 18-inch body. He didn't want too much sound, so we said, okay, we got you. We'll make it nice and deep. You only hear it when you give it gas. And then we also put a 4-inch tip right there. Rolled black. Came out really nice, really clean, as you guys can see. He had a FLOWMASTer FX on it that we put earlier in the year. He's just too loud for him. He wanted it a little bit quieter. And we put a 5-inch black tip on it. He just cut all that off and we went with that. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. Perfect. Again. There's sound decibels on it. Again. Right at 102. Usually it drones like at 110. So try it over on the freeway. You might like it. You never know. GMC Yukon DENALI. Let you guys hear on the inside. A lot deeper. Yeah. MAGNAFLOW. There's the sound decibels on it. Again. Right at 95. That's perfect. Go ahead and back it out. Just gives it a nice deep tone. Look to it. Custom lights. I like it. It's just clean car all the way around. Got a mirror finish to it too. Let you guys hear on the inside. GMC Yukon DENALI 6.0 liter. That sounds so good. Enjoy, guys. GMC Yukon MAGNAFLOW 18-inch body. Muffler, 4-inch tip. That's perfect. Enjoy, guys.